Hey Subbies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gisha_everything, and today I am back with another video. So for guys that it is video, and guys to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post another video. So today's video, I'm going to do a reaction to Gabriel Henry, I Believe I Can Fly. So this is a video suggestion for one of my fellow subscribers. So hey Subbies. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So 1, 2, 3, go.
I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but a handful song. But now I know the meaning of true love and living on the everlasting. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Scream my wings and fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes this silence can seem so loud. There are miracles in life I must achieve. But first I got to start inside her. Just believe it. There's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly. I believe I can soar. I see me rolling through the fly, 'cause I believe in me, yeah. Oh, if I can see, I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it.
Wow. Wow. That's so good, y'all. So if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do all those good stuffs, because y'all, it's time to join the cruise. Because if you don't join the cruise, you're gonna miss out on a lot of adventures that we're going on, because we're going on a lot. We're going on a lot. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and to my fellow subscriber, thank you so much for this video suggestion. I love it so much. And yes, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.